Monopoly Go Tycoon Card Customization Guide. Monopoly Go Tycoon cards are a fun way to personalize your in-game experience. You can unlock and customize these cards to display their unique style, rewards, and in-game achievements. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Monopoly app. If you see any update option available, click on the update option. If there are no updates available, then open the app on your device. Go back to your home page and launch the Monopoly app. In Monopoly, you will see an interface like this. Here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears like this, select the last option, which is Settings. Inside Settings, you will see a menu like this. On this menu, look for the option Tycoon Card. Select the Tycoon Card option. Another menu like this will pop up. You can unlock various Tycoon cards by participating in limited time events, tournaments, and about customization, you can customize borders, backgrounds, stickers, and icons. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.